Hello everyone, welcome to REBOUND CNC. Do you know about fiber laser cutting machine? It is used to cut metal materials, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, etc. Many metalworking factories need it. Now follow me to learn about it. This is a laser generator. We use the Raycus brand. We can also use other brands according to customer requirements, as Max, Rechi. This is a famous brand Ray Tools laser cutting head. When the machine is working, it can automatically adjust the cutting height. If you need this machine, please leave a message or contact me on WhatsApp.